na nĩ thengio na gũkorwo mũrĩ a JKA katikĩ njo tono ona icie kawaida ndonaga Nash Morgan wa Jaiga Elizabeth Wamboi ndio wagĩtwo ta susu witũ amboi wa bendera Patrick Jaiga wa Jipili muru iko kabisa Liz Karemi no akũrĩa kanati na ya kũgeithia mũno
ndagĩceka
kũrĩa kwa engineer Ses Mike na Melissa Kaz wa Ongata Mungai na Samuel Bote hashtag Kigosho Monday Tambe
Sami Gunya asante sana ona Zakari wa Daro gura wako ule Thika na Kiai wa Naivasha asanteni
masha asante sana sinakuget ajawan shiki wanashiro wazima gura wa Thika asante reure he mundu urethwo atago Thika
Thika nĩ kĩeka
arethwo nginya nĩ Interpol
agerete ngero
ona titangero ni ahiũrĩtie mũthũngũ yes
akĩmũhiũrĩria akĩmũthũngũ na marutanĩte kũ
he mũthũngũ wĩho wĩtagwo Mel Dobson ya thũngũ no metagwo marĩtwo Mel Dobson nĩ mũevangelist yes
mũhunjia
na philanthropist ndakwĩra nĩ andũ arĩa maheanaga openly yes nĩ mũndũ wetwo philanthropist nĩ waririkana speaker ũrĩa warĩ mbunge Kenneth Marende Otia anaria ũhoro wa kiugo kĩu sufficient philanthropist sufficiently philanthropic philanthropist ni andu acio marutagwo
nĩ mũheani
Dobson nĩ philanthropist wa gũthiĩ mabũrũri kũrĩa araigua nĩ ta gũtukĩrĩirwo nĩ maũndũ agĩtambagia kiugo akwona outreach cigaine
nĩ arakinyia injiri
na agacoka nĩ indo kuma kũrĩ sponsors na kũu agoka agathondeka kĩndũ handũ
nĩ arakĩruta wĩra mwega
rĩu nĩ magĩkoretwo makĩaria na mũndũ ũcio gwĩtwo Thigai through the internet email what have you akĩmwĩra we nĩ event organizer nake akamwĩra that's very fun because I'm going to do a serious outreach I want to bring the gospel to Kenya I want to say Kenya is for Jesus but I come there I want everybody to know that Jesus is Lord and I'm sure you can organize for me Thigai akamwĩra no problem I am me and Joel hapa kwa hapa
we are like this
John Musabe event organizer global me too is also like global we organize events okay would you tell me an example of an event that you have organized Maraki area chat I have organized green gas conference it was Gigiri akamenya rĩu brada kumenya andũ amwe I also did launching for Karitei and the Shiro digital the one for money those are very big people here those one even president attended I did another for Miller Lincoln yes that one Magufuli was there
international
mũthũngũ rĩu akĩona nĩ abagaga magongona akamũtukania I am also planning one for Galoya
this one of Faru kwandĩkĩra
yes this one of Adwalia Thigu that one is called the Luka Festival Luka Galoya slogan that one we have big sponsor in fact sponsor big we expect good luck Jonathan
in attendance
yes and Lonyaga Puo
this Lonyaga Puo
is very influential here he's like Trump there everything I like you I can just give me the approximate cost of our breakdown how much you need how you gonna do it then I'm gonna just give you some money so that you can organize this great event well, let us start with 4 million moyo kondari ndia kwira mbere ya kwiti kuigana bana fundi moyo koyori aba akuria wina ciga
ndena ithathatũ
icio nĩ ikũrĩkia nĩ aramenya iti ikũrĩkia no reke twambe
tu ici ciho
let us start with 4 million That one is enough for me paying mention Kameme.
We pay social media.
Social, influencer. People, I know people, big influencers like Gogi IG. They are my staff. And I can also do poster here, there. For poster, we require 1 lorry of Mutuangano. What's Mutuangano? Mutuangano, yani flour. Wheat flour for sticking in electric posts.
That's amazing.
Oh, that's really amazing. I would like to see that happen. No problem. We stick even at the doorstep even of the president. I have license. I have license to stick even State House. Launching of Ben Gedai, Tano 10. I was the one sticking poster. The Danny. It was me, Vega. Chief organizer, Vega. Yes. What's the name of your company, Vega? I would like to know your company profile. It's called Monania Mokoiko. Well, it sounds like a good name. I love it. Mukoiku. Monania Mokoiko. Our slogan is Kakara. Oh, thank you. That sounds amazing. I think I'm just going to have to wire you the money so you may start working right away, you figure. Yeah. Don't worry, Dobson. You, the only thing you come when you come is preach. Everything else, I do. I get you, Zakarewa.
And the funeral call Ainist.
Yes. And Wadidi. Wadidi is big. It's like Snoop Dogg. Urage tumirwo mbeca. Na muthenya wa gwika urage kinyanira. Thigani aroneka kundu.
Aya ndagothi guthaga na mugeni wake.
Now. Rĩu rĩ thigaheo wĩra rĩ nake ara subcontractire arahereirwo anake angĩ nao rĩu makĩndio nakĩ na wĩra ageni makinya airport rĩ nĩ marabangĩte atumia atatũ a muomboko ĩtagwo muomboko na ĩtagwo atĩa aya marainagĩra kĩhendio gakĩnyua aya mũthongo nĩ hoka wakinywa kuma mũrĩmo tũhengiri. They are saying you give 1,000. Yeah, 1,000. Okay, you $1,000? No, chilling.
For here, money for here.
You give $1,000 here. They remove from the husbands. Muthungu ucio nĩ mũrakaru mũno na nĩ aruta wĩra na honge cia gĩthirikari gwetha thiga tondũ moria okay, where is it airport transfer ĩritonga ciuga airport transfer ti ngari ya kũmwe airport transfer icio ciothe mĩgatwagia na mũcina wa Kiumis na njũkĩrĩ rĩu airport transfer marero there
you see that
one forward circle. Marona FH hau ya Kayore ĩkĩrĩtwo mathĩ mekandĩkwo Mel Dobson
ĩna bana
andĩkĩtwo Mel Dobson for Kenya. Marakĩingĩra na andũ ake nĩ marona tarĩ fan
nĩ mwagothe Kenyan way.
Yes. Wĩkwanĩrĩrwo na atumia ya muomboko marĩ o hamwe mekũingĩra othe kũu makĩmoragia how is your country, do you have their mũgithi? No, we just came here to preach. Magĩthiĩ kũrĩa rĩu igongona rĩrabangĩtwo rĩ ndwĩ rĩu mambia ũtũro mũkano nao mararakara mũno tondũ marathiĩ na harĩa ũguo reke maria. Matina kena maroria very stiger, but very busy. 4 function. Zimbabwe, Maputo, and Dodoma. So he here comes Saturday. Yes. Saturday. And you are going to hear your best Itanari. Maroria Kenya Post as you cook, Makero, it rain.
When it rains,
it pours. At least Lojo and Musua. They like there, the fra.
And bodies are corona.
Yeah, body. You know there is body here. They ate a post of our aspirant. Moka yo gona ale fatia ukorori. Mara kora jukua neria thesa girerio thi. Me fariti ena. Aso ka huro makoko. Where is the sound system? We wanted line array, big speakers. Well, here's one. You see here, that Muremo they hear is the one we use for Machakaya. Kajareta Karavi. The Karani what? That is okay. You can't think I like that all well doing. The brother again to Kara, he could get Kamutu. Don't have to meet what better as Yamutu.
Even I not get the Kahora.
Well, what's your body there, Bazia? He's an international person. It's called a figure. We don't know people like that.
Who is that?
The weather roko is again. Crowd we can't the gari. I go broke a bow. That is Kirona Badi.
As I get over, I get on McKinnon, get my million.
Hey, Vega had told us he will get us a very spiritual artist called Samido.
I would allow that.
Okay, he told us that there's also another one, very good one, spiritual called Micro.
More of you.
What about Wakembo?
No more than that.
Man, this is serious, man. He had told us to get us all of those. And he had told us that the keynote pastor will be Kihenjo. Kihenjo. Well, I'm a little kid. You know what TD Jakes.
I'm a little Mohuko.
But let me ask you. He has said he will even pay for us to get a platform on Kegwa. Kahihumaya. Machete shwa. It doesn't ring a bell, machete shwa. It's not gospel.
Another queer idea. You're a nyanya, the photo.